Okay, so check this out. See how when I scroll, it's like the camera just flies through this little 3D world. There's no cuts anywhere. It's one smooth flight from scene to scene. I built this with GPT 5.6. Yeah, the new one. And honestly, it was way easier than it looks. So real quick, GPT 5.6 isn't just one model. There's Sol, which is the big fancy expensive one everyone's hyping. And then there's Terra, which is basically the same thing for half the price. I used Terra, didn't need anything more. And here's the part that sounds fake. All I needed was one free tool I found on GitHub and one prompt. That's literally it. And now let me show you how. Let's go here straight to the website. Let me show here the live demo. So this is this really cool island where it shows the weather. So currently there are clouds here on the trees and around this island. And we of course have 7-day forecast, and the weather API I used here, OpenAI API. And for example, if you go here on top and search for a city, like for example, you can go to New York, it will also change here the island. And for example, if you go to Singapore, and here you can see that it's night, and then if you go to Dubai, you can see that the island pretty much changes, right? So that is pretty cool. Let me show you also one more where it's raining. Maybe it's this one. And then you can see here that in Iceland, it's raining and it has this really cool island and also this raining animation. So that is pretty cool, and you can also go here to a different city if you want to. Now, there's the first thing which you need, of course, and this is this GitHub skill called Scroll World. And let me show you here a quick demo of what it pretty much does. And you can see that it's absolutely insane that this skill is available completely for free. Now, here down below are a few of the prerequisites which you need to install on your computer for this to actually work. So the first one here is the Higgsfield CLI. Now, you can use it if you have the credits on it. For example, if you have Codex or ChatGPT subscription, you can also use this. And this is something that I used for this my website. So that is pretty cool. So pretty much what you will have to do, copy this link and make sure that you paste it here inside your Codex. So just like this, and this is the prompt I put here inside the Codex to build this app. Using this skill, Scroll World, design an ultra premium cinematic weather app landing page that feels like an immersive scrolling world. The interface should seamlessly blend modern glassmorphism UI with a breathtaking natural environment. And then here you have a few of the other details as well. Of course, this was not one-shotted, but let me show you here the process. So pretty much the first thing which this thing did, it tried to connect here to the Higgs field, and unfortunately it did not work. So this is why I put here this option, use this instead of the Higgs field, the Codex CLI. So this is why I used Codex CLI, because it's free, right? And then here it also couldn't here connect to the Codex CLI. And then pretty much here it gave me the other prompts. So it gave me the prompts I needed to pretty much get the images from the ChatGPT or any other AI image model. So here I used a few of the images from ChatGPT, and you can clearly see here that it did not generate what I asked it for. So then I went to another model, and in this case I used Google AI Studio Nano Banana 2 Lite. And this is another prompt which I used for this right here, this islands right here. You can clearly see that they do change when I change the location. Here, those ones have the clouds. For example, you can go to the Tokyo. It has this night island. And then here inside Google AI Studio, keep in mind here that this is completely for free, by the way. And here you can use Nano Banana 2 Lite. And then here I used here resolution 1K. And then the aspect ratio here, 16:9 with a thinking level of minimal. But if you want, you can also switch this to high. And this is basically my prompt. And this is what it generated me. And I think that the result overall is super impressive, and it has this white background. Now, this is why you should ask here always for a white background, because with another tool, which is this adobe.com, you can pretty much remove any background you don't want. So free online background remover, erase image backgrounds, and this is where I uploaded the image, and then here it generated this. So it pretty much removed here the white background just like this, and then we have here the simple island images, right? So there's 6 of them to be exact. So we have this clear one, we have the cloudy one, which looks like this, we have the night one, we have the rain one as well. So let me show you this one as well, snow one, and then the thunderstorm. So it looks like this, and I think all of the images look super clean. So now the next thing to do, pretty much once you have the images, you want to go here back to the Codex app, and this is what Codex pretty much did. Could we make it like a 3D island world, super small with the weather animations as well, like the wind, rain, snow, etc. And this is where it gave me a few of the previews. Of course, as I said before, this website was not one-shotted. And then here you can see that it's going to use here some scroll options as well. And here we even have the prompts for those islands. So now let me show you here the whole file structure. So this is the whole file structure. As you can see, this is pretty much it. And then here inside the folder, we have all of the images, as you can see. And then it also used, I think this is Next.js, and it created this TSX files for it. And this is why it has this really cool parallax effect. So if I go here back to the website, you can see when I hover my mouse over the island, it has this really cool parallax effect. So yeah, this is something that I wanted for this website to feel more alive, you know? And then if we go here back, let me show you a few more things. So because I unfortunately ran out of the credits here for the Codex, I used here Claude as well, so it would continue with the website development, right? So this is what it came up with, and this is the end result, and I think it's super impressive. So as I said before, it's using here OpenAI API for searching for different cities, and then you can also remove them like this. And then let's search here for Los Angeles like this, and then here you can see clearly the live weather. We have the island here down below, and in my opinion, it looks super clean. And by the way, if you want a custom website built for you, let me know in the comment section down below. I also have a link if you want to sign up for a free consultation, book a call with me. Make sure to use the first link down below in the video description. So this is pretty much the end result. I'm super happy with it. And yeah, this is how you guys can use pretty much this scroll world skill for Claude as well as for ChatGPT. Then you can use here ChatGPT for the images and prompting, as well as here Google AI Studio for free Nano Banana 2 Lite, where it can generate images like this. And then once you have the images, use this model. So adobe.com, free online background remover to erase image background. It works super well. And then here, make sure that you paste this prompt inside the Codex, and it will generate this beautiful website for you. So that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use the first link down below to sign up for a free consultation. Like this video, subscribe to the channel as well, is much appreciated. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.